What's up, good people? Welcome back to Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle. Hope you all doing well. Today's recipe, we are going to make banana cake. So guys, I didn't know overripe bananas can be this helpful. With this recipe, you need overripe bananas. So you just mash this using a masher if you have one. If you don't have, just use a fork, just like I'm doing it. Ensure they are super fine. No lumps should be left. So on to the first ingredient. We are going to add our sugar. Then we add margarine. So mix properly until you can no longer see sugar crystals. Then we add our eggs. For those people who don't take eggs, you can make this optional, but I believe it is well enjoyed if it has eggs. So you also mix this properly, and if you have a mixer, the better, it's going to sort you out. But if you don't have one, just do it the way I'm doing it. Then we add our cooking oil. Then baking powder. Measurement of our ingredients, of what they are, all that is going to be available in the description box. So worry not. In case you miss out on something, just go check out the description box. All that will be there. Then finally we add our overripe bananas. I just feel like this cake is going to be wow. I can't wait to taste one that has bananas. All you need to do as you mix, ensure you end up with a super fine dough. Your mixture should not have any lumps. So you need to exercise a bit of patience, and you'll get to attain that which we are looking for. Then we add our all-purpose flour. All-purpose baking flour. Then we add our milk, that is just called milk, and you can add the whole amount of milk, or you go my way, bit by bit as you mix until you attain that which we are looking for. So guys, at this point, why don't you subscribe to my channel? Why don't you like this video? Kindly share. Also comment anything you can you feel you need to tell me. Just comment. I'll reply to each and every section to each and every comment in the comment section. So at this point, I'm almost achieving that which I need. As you all see, my dough is super fine. There are no lumps. Neither is it too runny. But if you just use the amount of milk, half liter, you are going to attain the same kind of dough. So our dough is ready. The next step, we are going to grease our baking tins with margarine, and again you can use cooking oil in this step. So for me, I'm going to do 2 cakes because I'm doing this in the evening, and definitely the family needs to taste something. The bigger one will be for breakfast, and the smaller one we are going to taste this evening. So again, that is optional. You can add baking paper on your baking tin, and it's optional, but it gives amazing results. So I prefer with this you use the baking paper. Then the secret to pouring your dough onto the baking tin, you get to about half of the baking tin. Beyond that, it can spill in your oven. For instance, mine is half, or even you can do less than that, but I think the most you can do is half the baking tin. So meanwhile, I was preheating my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So I'm just going to proceed to place my baking tins in my oven. So that is it. We are going to bake this for about 20 to 30 minutes. So 25 minutes later, let's see on what we got. Oh wow, can't wait to taste. Oh wow. Guys, at this point you need to subscribe to this channel. Just look at what we've done in less than 30 minutes. You can also try this at home. Breakfast doesn't have to be with the same bites. You can spice up your breakfast in your house. So gently, I'm removing the baking paper, but the results are already speaking for themselves. This already looks appealing to the eye. Yani, you just wanna taste. Just look at that. Wow. Guys, less effort, amazing results. Eesh. Wow, at this point I just need to cut a piece. We get to taste, because what the eye is seeing, the mouth needs to taste also. And the aroma in this house, Eish. You see?
Nyama ndizi si mbaya.
So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye guys.